Dirty one.
All right. Here we go. Let's get ready, ready, ready. Let's get ready. Here we go. Pull out those ABC pages. ABC page in your book. Nice and red. Come on in. We're just getting started with our ABC. Here we go. Our red page. Come on, girls. Have a seat. Okay, parent A, here we go. You can sing with us while you get ready. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good. Now, last week we did some solos on Seashell. Would anyone like to do an ABC solo? Sing their ABCs. You want to do it? Do you want to try it? If not, that's okay. Do you want to try it, Stella? Okay. Okay, here we go. Ready? Annie. Do you want to sing it with Annie? You two can do it together. Here we go. Ready? Yep, nice and strong. Good. Good. Finish it with me. Good job. Try. Let's do the end all together. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, Abby. Now try it all by yourself. Go ahead and turn to our yellow numbers. Our yellow numbers, and if anyone wants to do a solo after this one, we'll do that. And we start our finger on 0. Almost got it. There we go. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good. Pointing. Would anyone like to do this by themselves? Do a solo? If not, that's okay. We'll try again next week so you can practice at home. Okay, go ahead and put those behind you and stand up. Oh, you get to stand up. Here we go. Everybody clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands just like me. Everybody stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet just like me. Everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump just like me. Let's start. Annie, what action would you like to do?
Jump.
You want to jump? Okay, everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump just like Annie. Olivia, what would you do?
Down.
Which one?
Down.
Down. Show me. See if you can get me. She's doing some rain. Can you do that with her? Everybody do the rain, do the rain, do the rain. to do. Want to clap? Should we clap again? Let's try it. Everybody clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands, just like Tristan. With the jingly keys too, love it. All right, Callie, what should we do?
Oh, hug.
Should we give a hug? Here we go. Everybody give a hug, give a hug, give a hug. Everybody give a hug, just like Callie. So snuggly. All right, Kylie, what do you want to do? What's the last thing? What should we do?
Jump. You want to
Jump. Mom. Here we go. Everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump, just like Kylie. Okay, stand right where you are. We have a new song today. It's our Teapot song. I'm going to turn it on and we're going to sing. Here we go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Isn't that a silly teapot? Let's do it again and see if Miss Emily can do a spout this time. How we do a spout? Okay. Ready? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Such a silly teapot. Okay, grab your books. We're going to have our moms walk like old horses. No, doesn't mean anything. So our moms are going to go clip, clop, and all the little heads. We're going to do jiggity jog. Okay, so I'm going to do jiggity jog with you. You ready? Okay, let's do that. Here we go. Jiggity, jiggity jog. Come on over. Jiggity, jiggity jog. And moms, clip, clop, clip, clop. Jiggity, jiggity jog. Come on over. Jiggity, jiggity jog. Jiggity, jiggity jog. And find your spot, little horses. Jiggity, jiggity jog. Good job. Come on over, Tristan. Okay. I have a new music sound with you today. And this is our major scale going up just like with our bells. So, I'm going to give us a note here. Do, you can sing with me while I point, ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Good singing. You have a page that looks just like this in your book. Will you turn to that page? I can't remember what page it was.
Is it this one with the
It's
colors?
that one with the colors. Yeah, page 12. Yeah, so page 12, it looks just like mine with the notes, with our scale that goes up. Good job. So point in your book. Do, ready, starts on the first one, the lowest one. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Good. So lots of you pointing to your scale. Would anyone like to do it as a solo by themselves? I'd like to do it as a solo. You want to do it, Kylie? You sing it? Okay, let's do it, Kylie. Can you sing? Great pointing and singing. Love it. Good job, Kylie. Would anyone else like to try? You want to try, Annie? Okay. You can use your book and play it. Good job. Good job, pointing. Okay, let's do it one more time, all together. And do pointing. Here we go. And make sure that you start so it's on the low do. We have the low do just like this. Yeah. Good job. Okay, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Good job. You can even practice that at home. Okay, put those books behind you. Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Did anyone make their Humpty puppet? If you didn't, that's okay. If you did, pull it out. You can use your Humpty puppet. If you didn't make it, that's okay. You can be your own Humpty. Now there's Kylie's. Oh, I love it. A yellow and purple Humpty. I know, it's so easy to
Probably my
and oh, a nice blue Humpty. Okay. That is okay. You can find them or make them at home. Let's do it again with our, if you don't have a Humpty, make your Humpty. Good job, Stella. Good job. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. There you go. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Look like poor Humpty. Okay, go ahead and put him away because Edie is so excited to have a Tuesday. She wants to hear some animal sounds. Hi! Hi! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Oh, she loves it when you echo her. Woo, woo, woo! Woo, woo, woo! What's that? She wants to hear some animal sounds today. Olivia, do you have an animal sound for Edie? Yeah, I know. You know, and we have to be really careful with Edie. She gets kind of scared if we're too close to her. So if you go sit with your mom, and can you think of an animal? Can you think of an animal sound for her? Just an animal sound. Can you think of one? Let's see if one of our friends can think of one. Touch your nose if you have an animal sound for Edie. Oh, is that what? A cat? Okay, we can do a cat. Here we go. Meow. Meow. Good. Touch your nose if you have another sound. Annie? A cow. Can you do it for us and we'll echo you? Moo. 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 Good job. You did that sound so well. Stella, what animal do you have? Can you think of? A dog. Can you do it for us and we'll echo you? Woof. That's a good job. Woof. Good job. Hey, any other sounds? Any other animals for Edie? Does Tristan have?
No.
Tristan?
Bird?
Tristan, do you like a bird? Can you see Edie, Tristan? Can you see Edie? Watch, she's going to make a bird sound. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Good. Hey, any others? Did you tell your mom? Which one? Can you tell us?
A roar?
A roar. Oh, a roar. Kylie, can you show us a roar and we'll echo you?
Can you do it? Roar.
Ooh, let's see if Edie can do it. Roar. Good one. All right. Ooh, does Callie have one? Where's Callie's one?
A dinosaur.
Ooh, a dinosaur. That's kind of like our lion. Let's see if we can make him sound different though. That's a lion. Oh, wild dinosaur. Awesome. She loves your animal sound. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Time to go back to her home. Okay. My sticks. I'm going to tap a song with my sticks and see if you can tell which one it is. You know this one. What song that is? You have an idea? Let's see, I'll hum it this time. There's a seashell's word! You want to tap it for us, Annie?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Seashells down by the seashore. No, I'm by myself. You solo. Okay. She sells seashells down by the seashore. Good job doing that solo. Let's give everyone a chance, including our moms and grandma. Okay, so here we go. Here's some for Tristan. There you go, Betty. And grandma gets your stuff. And Callie, you get your own. And her mom. And Kylie. Don't worry, I have lots more. Whew. Just slide over. Okay. Here's some for everybody. And mom. We just have such a big class.
I can do it.
No, we're good. I have tons of them. There we go. Okay. All right, let's all tap. So if you hold the spoon part, then it can make a really good tap. Ready? Okay. Here we go. Ready? Get your sticks ready. She sells seashells down by the seashore. Now this time, let's put it in our head. So we're not going to sing it, but we'll sing it in our head while we tap, okay? Here comes. Did you hear it in your head? Let's have just our little friends do it. So Mom, you get to listen. Grandma, you get to listen and watch, okay? Here we go. Do it with me. Ready, Stella? Good job! Let's all do it one last time. All together. Good job, Callie. Here we go, ready? Nice and big. She sells seashells down by the seashore. All right. Go ahead and bring me your sticks, and as soon as I have your sticks, head over for our story. So you can grab your book and head over for our story. Thank you. Thank you. And Kristen. Let's go. Ready? Thank you. So good. Olivia, I know. You're trying to get easy. Hey, come on over for our story. Come on, you gotta walk over there.
The story.
I gotta stand up. Oh, Kathy, come on. Your pajamas are so cute. I want those pajamas.
I want for the pajamas.
Kristen, hey. Oh, Tristan, I have my story thing.
He heard the word Geo.
Okay. Tristan. Olivia, come here. Here, come here. We're not done yet. This is my favorite themes book. Let's see what all the favorite themes in the story are. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens. Bright copper kettles and warm woolen mittens. Brown paper packages tied.